You could swallow all the ibuprofen in the world to stop joint pain and weak legs, but if you're deficient in these two natural vitamins, the pain and weakness will never truly leave you. I've watched it happen to so many seniors. They take pain pills day after day, only to end up with stomach problems, kidney issues, higher heart risks, liver strain, and even weaker bones in the long run. These pills just hide the pain for a few hours, but the real cause, the hidden deficiencies, destroying your joints and stays untouched. The pain always comes rushing back, sometimes worse than before. I promise you this. When you start getting these two natural powerhouses consistently, joint pain can fade away, and you might not need those pills at all. Thousands of seniors have shared their stories with me, how they regained freedom, walked without wincing, and enjoyed life again. If you're tired of living with this pain, subscribe right now and comment where you're watching from. I read and reply to every single one. Number 1. Omega-3. Especially EPA and DHA from fish or plant sources. Joint pain isn't just annoying, it's life-changing. It starts with morning stiffness that makes getting out of bed a struggle. Then come the sharp pains on stairs or even short walks. Knees crack, hips ache, and soon you're avoiding the activities you love. The effects go deeper. Isolation from friends and family. Anxiety about losing independence. Higher fall risk. And we know one bad fall can lead to fractures or worse. Many end up homebound or in wheelchairs, not because it was unavoidable, but because the root nutritional issues were never fixed. This is where omega-3 steps in as a true lifesaver. It fights inflammation at the cellular level, reducing the chemicals that break down cartilage and cause that burning pain. Unlike pills that only block pain signals, omega-3 actually lowers the production of those harmful molecules. It lubricates joints naturally, protects cartilage, boosts synovial fluid for smoother movement, and cuts down stiffness and swelling. After 8 to 12 weeks of steady intake, many seniors drastically reduce or stop pain meds completely. Beyond joints, omega-3 strengthens bones by improving calcium absorption, supports muscle building to prevent weak legs, sharpens brain-muscle coordination for better balance, and nourishes blood vessels feeding your joints and bones. Studies in the Journal of Rheumatology showed a 40% drop in pain intensity and better function. Another from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found higher omega-3 levels meant stronger legs, better grip, and longer walking distance. What to eat? Palm-sized grilled salmon for breakfast, almost 2 grams omega-3, sardines or mackerel for snacks, tuna salad for lunch with flax seeds, grilled trout dinner with spinach. Plant options, chia seeds in yogurt, walnuts as snacks, flax oil on salads. Delicious and powerful. But here's what most miss, and omega-3 alone isn't always enough. Without the second vitamin, pain can linger. Number 2, turmeric, specifically the curcumin with black pepper. Curcumin targets inflammation pathways that omega-3 doesn't reach, blocking enzymes like QX2. Together, they attack inflammation from all sides, and that's why the combo is unbeatable. It eases that heavy stiffness, making legs feel like concrete, reduces swelling in knees, hips, ankles, promotes new bone growth, improves tendon flexibility, and speeds muscle recovery so you stay active longer. A landmark study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed curcumin matched ibuprofen for knee pain relief, but with zero dangerous side effects and better long-term results. Another in phytotherapy. Research found regular turmeric users had stronger legs and better performance in just 8 weeks. How to get it? Golden milk at night, warm milk, teaspoon turmeric, pinch black pepper boosts absorption 2000%, cinnamon honey. Turmeric lentil soup for lunch, turmeric rubbed chicken or veggies for dinner. Add to eggs, rice, smoothies. Always pair with black pepper and healthy fat. Now the crucial part most seniors overlook, even if you eat omega-3 and turmeric daily, but keep these 3 inflammation triggers in your diet, you'll still struggle with pain and weak legs. You're moving forward with good foods, but taking 3 steps back with these. You must cut them out completely. First, refined sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Hidden in cereals, cookies, yogurts, sauces, even healthy breads. Sugar triggers glycation, sticking to collagen and cartilage, making it stiff and brittle. It spikes insulin, floods joints with inflammatory chemicals, destroys lubricating fluid, and causes your body to pee out precious calcium. It even blocks vitamin D function, worsening everything. Many seniors take calcium, but still get osteoporosis, often because of that sweetened coffee or muffin. Ruthlessly check labels. Avoid over 5g added sugar per serving. Switch to plain yogurt with berries, whole oranges instead of juice, cinnamon for sweetness. Small raw honey if needed. Second, processed vegetable oils and trans fats. Soybean, corn, sunflower, canola, partially hydrogenated. They're in margarine, baked goods, frozen meals, restaurant frying. High in omega-6, throwing your ratio to 20.1 or worse. Fueling constant joint inflammation. Trans fats are so bad many countries ban them. They block omega-3 benefits and damage blood vessels to legs. Switch to extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil for cooking. Real grass-fed butter has K2 for bones. Make your own dressings. This change alone can drop pain noticeably in 2 to 3 weeks. Third, too much salt and processed meats, bacon, sausages, deli meats, hot dogs. Excess sodium causes fluid retention, pressing on joints and worsening swelling. Processed meats add nitrates, more inflammation, and those same harmful glycation compounds. High salt flushes calcium from bones. Up to 40 mg are lost per teaspoon. It weakens leg support, increases instability and fall risk. Cut processed meats completely. Use fresh chicken, fish, legumes. Flavor with garlic, rosemary, thyme, black pepper. Choose low-sodium options. Taste buds adjust in weeks, but joints improve fast. These changes feel tough at first, but seniors who make them tell me they walk freely again, play with grandkids, climb stairs easily, and smile more. That's why I created the Nature's Joint In Bone Rebuild Recipe Book. Over 75 simple, tasty recipes packed with omega-3, turmeric, calcium, magnesium, K2, collagen, and everything for strong bones, flexible joints, powerful legs after 60. Link in the pinned comment. Grab it and start healing today. Now your turn. Do you have joint pain and weak legs? Which recipe will you try first, and salmon or golden milk? Which harmful food are you cutting today? Comment below, I reply to everyone. Tomorrow, a completely free daily habit that stops inflammation faster than any supplement. Subscribe and hit the bell, don't miss it. See you tomorrow. Stay strong and natural. Nature's Senior Cure.